Hello, my name is Daniel Prey. This video is for the Eportfolio. I am currently a 3rd and 4th grade teacher in the Rock Creek School District. I also coach the wrestling team. I've coached the wrestling team for the last 10 years. I taught 3rd and 4th grade for 4 years, and I taught 1st and 2nd grade for 6 years. Prior to that, I went to Dana College in Blair, Nebraska, acquired a bachelor's degree in both elementary education and special education. Prior to that, I went to high school at Rock Creek Junior Senior High. Currently married and have one child who's 3 years old, and just have a great little growing family. My personal goals would be to continue as a 3rd and 4th grade teacher, move up to the 5th and 6th grade teacher. So I've taught grades 1 through 6, and after that, become a building administrator. And long-term goal beyond 10 years would be moving to a college level position. My personal goals would be to grow in my faith, my prayer, my witnessing, continue to pay off our debts, play a little more golf, continue finishing my house both inside and out, and continue to invest my time and money into my daughter. I'd also like to travel to the East and West Coast and invest in my marriage. And why I chose Fort Hays State, the cost was definitely one of the leading factors. At K-State, which was closest, it was less money than to go through K-State. I've heard good things about it. I've had other league schools for wrestling go through the Fort Hays State program, and they've had nothing but good things to say about it. And they've went on to be principals or administrators in other roles. So I am very excited to continue my journey. This is not the start of my Fort Hays journey. I am currently in my 3rd semester of attending Fort Hays State, and my anticipated graduation date would be December of 2020. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day.